Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple step on how to download Grammarly application for your PC. First, open a web browser on your PC. I'm opening up my Google Chrome web browser. Into the search box, type in grammarly.com/download, press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official page of grammarly.com. Click on the Get Grammarly, it's free button located on the left hand side of the screen or on the top right hand corner. First, you'll need to sign up for a Grammarly account. Enter a valid email address in the email address platform and create a password for your account. On the next field, type in your name, click on Agree and sign up to complete your sign up process. You can also use one of the services from the bottom in order to sign up quicker. After you are done typing in your details, click on Agree and sign up. And on the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to the email above and you'll be able to receive a confirmation code from Grammarly. Click on it and copy the verification code. Enter the 6-digit verification code in the text box and you'll be able to create your Grammarly account. Once you're signed up, you can click on the Get Grammarly for Windows button and your download process will begin. Once it is completed, click on it. The setup process will begin automatically. After the download is completed, you'll be able to see the Grammarly application right on your Windows desktop page. That is how you can easily download Grammarly application for your PC. Now you can simply click on the sign in button in order to start signing in and accessing your account. How to sign up for a Grammarly account. If you want to create a new Grammarly account and get started with the platform, then here's how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open up a preferred web browser and then go to the search box and type in grammarly.com and press enter. You'll then find yourself in the official page for Grammarly. To create a Grammarly account, simply click on the Get Grammarly, it's free button at the top right hand corner. Now, in order to sign up, go ahead and enter an email address. You can also sign up using a Google account, a Facebook account, or with your Apple ID. In my case, I'm going to choose the first option, that is signing up with email. Type in an email address that you have an access to in the first text box. After you are done, head over to the password field and type in the password you'd like to set for your account. On the next field, type in your name, make sure to type in your full name and then click on Agree and sign up. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Simply go ahead and enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address that you just entered. In order to do that, open up a new tab and log into your email service inbox. Once you're inside, open up the mail received from Grammarly. You'll be able to find it inside your inbox. Simply click it open and then copy the verification code, paste it inside the verify email text box and wait for a few seconds. Now select what you are using Grammarly for. Click next. After you select an answer, on the next field, you'll need to provide some of the details like your primary function, your company size, your role in the company, and much more. After you are done entering all of the details, click on Next and complete all of the steps, provide necessary information, and you'll be able to create a Grammarly account. In order to use Grammarly on your PC, you'll need to get the Grammarly application. So click the Get Grammarly for Windows button and the app will be downloaded on your PC. After the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and log into your account with the email address and the password that you just created while signing up, and that way you should be able to sign up for Grammarly.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in Grammarly in MS Word. Open up a web browser to get started and make sure that you are logged into your MS Word account. Go ahead and open up your outlook.live.com and select MS Word from the left hand side menu. Also make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. And now open up a project you'd like to work on. Soon after you do that, go and click on the Add-ins button located at the top right and then inside the pop-up, click on this Add button right next to Grammarly for Microsoft Word. Now, you need to log into your Grammarly account. Click Log into Grammarly. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and start your sign up process by clicking on I don't have an account and follow through the registration. To sign into an existing account, inside the email text box, type in your email address. After you are done, click on Continue. Soon after the password text box appears, go ahead and type in your correct password for your Grammarly account. You can also log in using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple if you already have an account with one of these services. Finally, click Sign In, and that is how you can easily log into Grammarly in Microsoft Word.
How to check tone on Grammarly. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. To check tone on Grammarly, first ensure that you've installed the Grammarly extension on the web browser you're using. Open up your preferred web browser and then in the URL box type in Grammarly extension and press enter. In the search result, pick this first link that says Grammarly for Chrome, and once you do that, you'll end up in this page from where you can easily install the Grammarly extension to your Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome button and then follow through the on-screen prompts. In the Chrome Web Store page, you'll be able to find Grammar Checker and AI Writing application. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension in the pop-up to install Grammarly extension on your web browser. Now once it is done, your Grammarly for Chrome is active. You can pin your extension by clicking the extension icon at the top right and click the pin icon right next to Grammarly. Now click the extension and then make sure that all of the features in it are enabled. Once you've successfully installed the Grammarly extension, open up any other website where you can write text, such as Gmail or Facebook. Here I'm going to open up my Gmail account. Now, go ahead and click on the Compose button at the top left just to write in the text and start writing the text in the text box. After you write down the text, look for an emoji icon at the bottom left or in the pop-up. Now, it'll show you a list of possible tones and their confidence score. But remember to write a few sentences since the tone detector needs at least 150 characters to activate. That is how you should be able to check tone on Grammarly.
How to hide Grammarly icon from your web browser's toolbar. Open up your web browser first, and if you've added your Grammarly add-ons in your toolbar and you'd like to hide the icon, then the process is quite easy. Go to the top right hand corner of the screen where you can see your toolbar. You should be able to see your Grammarly icon located right here at the corner. Go ahead and give it a right click in order to open up a pop-up menu. Now click on the Unpin button in the pop-up to remove it or hide it from your toolbar. If you ever change your mind on this and you want your add-on for Grammarly right at the toolbar at the top, then you can click on the extension icon and click on the little pin icon right next to Grammarly and you'll get it back on your toolbar again. So I hope you learned how you can easily hide or remove your Grammarly add-on from your toolbar. How to know if Grammarly is working or not. Let's say if you're writing an email to one of your friends or anyone that you want, you'll be able to know that Grammarly is working when you see a green G icon located at the lower right of the text field you're writing in. Once you're done writing, basic writing corrections will appear online with a red underline, and if you click the G button at the lower right, it'll then bring up a pop-up. You'll be able to open up the editor to access the premium corrections. That is how you can easily know if your Grammarly is working. How to add or activate Grammarly on Microsoft Outlook email. First, open up a web browser. Into the URL box, type in www.grammarly.com/office-add-in and press enter. Doing so will take you to this page where you can easily get the add-in for Grammarly that can be used on Microsoft Word and Outlook. Click on the Get the Add-in, it's free button on the left-hand corner, and then the downloading process for Grammarly for Microsoft Office will start. Once it is completed, click on it to launch it open. Now, click on the Get Started button and then select the Grammarly product you'd like to install. Since we are doing it for Outlook,
let's click on Grammarly for Outlook. If you want to use it for Word as well, you can check both of the boxes and click on Install. Once the installation process is completed, you'll be able to see that you can now easily launch Grammarly on Microsoft Word or Outlook according to your preference. If your application that you are using is already open, you can restart it to activate Grammarly. Once you are done, click on Finish, and then you can now open up your Outlook email app or simply open up a web browser and log into your Outlook account. Click on the New Email button located at the top left and write down your email into the text box. Now, also make sure that you are logged into your Grammarly account. Once you are, get back to the Outlook email tab, and then after you click on the New Email text box, you'll be able to see the Grammarly icon displayed right at the corner, which means you've successfully added Grammarly on your Outlook email. Go ahead and write your email. You can now click on the Grammarly icon to improve your writing. That is how you can easily activate or add Grammarly on your Outlook email. How to add Grammarly to Word. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in grammarly.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and if you've not created an account yet for Grammarly, go ahead and create one. Now, once you're inside this Grammarly main homepage, click on the Apps button on the left-hand corner. Download Grammarly for your computer by clicking on the Install button right next to Grammarly for Words. Once you are done downloading it on your computer, click it Open. Now, click on Sign into Existing Account option and log into your account like you normally do. Now, go ahead and log into your Microsoft Word. Once you open up Microsoft Word and log into your Microsoft account, click on the Insert button located at the top toolbar. Now click on Add-ins, and then after you click on Add-ins, click on the Store button. Type in Grammarly in the search box and perform your search. Now, you'll be able to see the Grammarly for Microsoft Word add-on in the display. Click Add and click Continue. Now, you'll be able to see the Grammarly add-on displayed at the top right soon after you do that. Go ahead and type in something in the text box or paste in a text or a sentence and see Grammarly working on your MS Word content. It'll now be able to check your Words document every time you use the word in order to do your work. That is how it can be easily done. How to check for plagiarism on Grammarly. Open up a web browser to get started and make sure that you are logged into your Grammarly account. Here I'm going to open up my Grammarly app. Make sure that you are also logged into your Grammarly account and then click on the New Document button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this editor's page. Paste in or type in your text that you'd like to check for plagiarism. After you are done typing in or pasting the text you'd like to check for plagiarism, you'll be able to see that there are some suggestions regarding the text, and Grammarly has found some writing issues, incomplete sentences, passive voice misuse, and much more. In order to check for plagiarism, click on the Plagiarism button at the bottom right-hand corner. In order to do a plagiarism check, you must go Premium for Grammarly. If you're not a Premium user, go ahead and click on Go Premium and follow through the prompts till the end. Select your plan you'd like to get started with. Choose your plan as an individual or team and click the Select button. On the next page, complete your payment information. You can enter your PayPal account's information or enter your credit card information, your country, the expiry date, security code and postal code information, and click on Checkout in order to subscribe for Premium, and then you'll be able to use your plagiarism checker function on Grammarly. After you are able to check for plagiarism, Grammarly will compare your text to billions of web pages and academic papers in private databases looking for sentences or paragraphs that might have been published elsewhere. How to fix unclear sentences in Grammarly. Open up your Grammarly account like you normally do, and then make sure that you are logged into your Grammarly account. You'll be able to correct any mistakes on Grammarly by using from the Grammarly's free sentence checker. It allows you to write your best by checking for sentences, tones,
clarity, and much more. Go ahead and type in a sentence. Paste in a text over here on the screen. After you go ahead and write in a text or paste in something in the display, you'll be able to see Grammarly highlighting unclear sentences and word choices on the screen. In order to fix that, you'll need to go premium on Grammarly. Click on the Go Premium button on the right corner and get started with your premium plan. Select your plan that you'd like to get on with and click Select. Enter a payment information on the next page, and after you are done with it, you'll be able to improve writing clarity and fix unclear sentences on Grammarly. That is how it can be easily done. How to add Grammarly in Google Docs. First, open up your preferred web browser and make sure to add in your Grammarly extension on your web browser. Simply go ahead and type in Grammarly extension into the search box and search. If you are using Edge like mine, you can simply click on this Get from Edge add-on stores and you'll be taken to the Microsoft Edge store, from where you can easily add the Grammarly extension. Now, as soon as you end up in this page, click the Get button in order to bring this pop-up. Click on Add extension in the pop-up and it'll be able to download the extension for Grammarly on your web browser. Now, once your extension has been downloaded, you'll be taken to this new page and it'll ask you to sign up or log into your Grammarly account. If you don't have an account, enter a valid email address and go ahead and follow through the registration process. If you already have an account, click on I have an account at the top and enter your email address in the text box. After you are done entering your email address, click Continue. Enter your password on the next field and click Sign In. Now, once you are logged into your Grammarly account, go and open up Google Docs on a new tab. Go and log into your google.com account and in the waffle menu at the top right after logging in, click on Doc. This will now open up your Google Docs. Go ahead and open up any project and go to the top right and click the three dots. Click on Extension and select Grammarly extension in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, the Grammarly for Edge extension will be activated. Now you can see that your Grammarly is now active. Now you can go ahead and use Grammarly for Google Docs projects. That is how it can be done. In order to know if Grammarly is working on your Google Docs, you'll be able to see your name highlighted in green right on your sentence over here, and also you should be able to see the Grammarly icon available at the bottom right. That is how you can easily add Grammarly in Google Docs and use it on the project that you're working on. How to change your Grammarly language to French and Spanish. Open up a web browser and make sure to log into your Grammarly.com account. Once you're inside this main homepage, click on the account button from the left-hand side menu. Now once you open up this account settings page, you should be able to see the customize button on the left-hand side. Click on it in order to customize your dictionary or language. To change your language, click on the Language tab and then inside the primary language, go ahead and select either French or Spanish or any other language that you'd like to change to. You can simply go ahead and select the desired language that you want to pick, and then you can also select the language that you write in from the drop down. Select one of the options and then you can go back to the main interface of Grammarly. Now that is how you'll be able to change your language on Grammarly.com account according to your preference. How to change email address in Grammarly account. First, go ahead and open up a preferred web browser, or you can log into your Grammarly account with the Grammarly application. Into the URL box, go ahead and type in Grammarly.com and perform your search. After you are signed into your account, go ahead and click on the account button located on the left-hand corner of the screen. Under the account settings page, click the update button right next to email. Now, enter the new email you would want to change to. For security, you must confirm your password. Type in your current password for your Grammarly.com account in the next field. After you are done, click on Update. Now, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email address. In order to change your email, go ahead and open up this email addresses inbox on a new tab. Now open up the email inbox that you received from Grammarly and click on Confirm Change. Now, you'll need to log in using your new email address. Go ahead and type in the new email address that you just changed to, and then type in your password for your Grammarly account. Click on sign in after you are done, and you'll be able to change your email address for Grammarly.com. Click on the account tab from the left hand side menu in order to check your email address updated. That is how you can easily change your email on Grammarly account.
And how to change your password for Grammarly. Open up your Grammarly application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're on this page, go ahead and click on the new document page, and it'll take you to a web browser which open up app.grammarly.com. Once you're in this page, click on the menu bar at the top left hand corner. Click on My Grammarly. Now, from this page, click the account button located on the left hand side menu. Under account settings, you'll be able to see your password. Click on Update and enter your current password in the first text box. Enter your new password you would like to change to or update to. After you are done, click on Update and you'll be able to change your password for Grammarly. How to add Grammarly to your Google Chrome. Now let's get started with the video. First, open your Google Chrome web browser. Now, once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in grammarly.com/Chrome. Once you find this add-on, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome on the right corner. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up and you'll be able to download the add-on. As soon as the add-on is installed, it'll automatically open up. Now your Grammarly from Chrome is active. To pin it up, in your control panel at the top, click the extension icon and click the pin icon right next to Grammarly. Whenever you need Grammarly, you can now simply click on the icon right next to the extension icon, and soon after you click on the icon, you'll be able to access Grammarly. How to delete your Grammarly account. Open up a web browser and log into Grammarly.com, or simply open up your Grammarly app and make sure that you're logged into your Grammarly account you'd want to delete. Make sure that you're inside the app.grammarly.com webpage and then click on the account button on the left hand side. This will open up the account settings page. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the delete account button, so click on it. Verify yourself first by typing in your email and password associated with your Grammarly account on the next page and click next. You'll need to go through a two-step verification process. Type in the verification code sent to your email address that is displayed right here. Once you open up your email inbox, you'll receive an email from Grammarly Security. Click on it to open it up. Copy the security code that you received and paste it into the two-step verification text box. Click Next when done. Now, it'll ask you whether you are sure you'd like to get rid of your free Grammarly account. It also mentions that you'll lose your saved documents and dictionary preferences and it won't be able to recover them for you. Go ahead and enter your password associated with Grammarly into the Provide Password text box and click on Delete Account. Soon after that, you'll be able to see that your account has been deleted. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.